Welcome to GC Cars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a highway POV test drive in this 2022 Kia Carnival SX. In this highway POV test drive, we're going to test a couple of things. First of all, if we get the chance, we do a slight bit of a handling test. Then we're going to test the lane keep assist, followed by the highway driving assist and Kia's lane centering assist. And of course, we're also going to test the adaptive cruise control. Without further ado, we're going to start with the handling test, but just quickly before that, I want to make sure that you guys know I have a full-on review about this 2022 Kia Carnival SX. Just in the top right-hand corner, we talk about the exterior, the interior, sum it all up, drive it, and see if it's worth it, or if you should spend your money somewhere else. Without further ado, let's go on with the little handling test. We're on winter tires. This is an SUV. This is a minivan. That's front-wheel drive. So we can't expect too much, but it's going to be a slight sense. Not too much. Understeer is coming in. And back to regular speeds. Alright. Go back onto the highway and we are here. So let's start off with the lane keep assist first of all. We're just going to test that by just drifting out of the right lane as soon as we have a bit of room. I have the assist on, not only the warning, so let's see what happens. Nothing. Okay. Let's try that again. Maybe I was a bit confused by not seeing the lane. Let's try this. Oh, there we go. Okay. It's automatically steering me already. That's interesting, despite it not being the full assist. So it's already steering a little. There you go. Okay, that's that. But we have a different level, which is a bit more impressive, and that's the, if we press this button out here, now we have active lane centering, and you know what? When we add it, turn on the adaptive cruise control as well. Now we have highway driving assist, so it automatically adjusts the speeds. Let's see how it does. It's a very good system, but this is a tough corner. I'm not given any steering inputs, but I'm ready to intervene. And it does it beautifully. Look at that. That was a little far left for me. Let's give it back to the car. Okay. Little assistance necessary here. No worries. We're just going to try again in this left turn. Of course, this is not a non-autonomous driving system. Just want to point that out. This is purely an assist. It is meant for you to have your hands on the steering wheel fully and test. But basically just have it assist you. But as you can see, it is a very, very advanced system. The only reason why I'm not fully gripping the steering wheel with my thumbs is so that you can see that I'm actually not steering at all. It's just a car, and it's doing a very good job now after that initial slight hiccup. And I love this system. I love this system so much because this is normal driving, right? Let's just take over here. So let's deactivate the adaptive cruise control. So I have my hands on the steering wheel now, but I will not give any steering input. And you can see you can just kind of cruise along, really. You can just cruise along, and especially in like stop and go traffic, this system is so good. You just put on the adaptive cruise control and the lane centering assist, and you just basically don't have to do anything except for monitor the system, grip your steering wheel, and be ready to intervene. I love it. I love it so much. It is so good. I'm still not giving any inputs. Yeah, here, just a clarification. It is driving itself. I'm just doing the... Just want to make sure we stay nicely to the right here. It's probably well centered, but when we're in the right lane, I prefer to just be a little more on the right. Well, we have the room, right? And once again, let's try left turn. I'm doing the throttle and the braking. Car's doing the steering. And there we go. Wonderful. Wonderful. I love this system. And like I said, the highway driving assist we've also briefly had activated. I just can't really show you what it does here. Is an adaptive cruise control that automatically adjusts the the speed limits, so it aligns with the speed limit if it's changing. So let's say the speed limit would go up to 100 and the highway driving assist would set the adaptive cruise control from 90 to 100. which is really useful. Just we don't have any changing speed limits on this stretch of the Don Valley Parkway. So yeah. Anyhow, that's a brief look here at the assist systems of the Kia Carnival. We have 2 more POV test drives where we test various systems. We have a night POV test drive where we test the high beams and the LED headlights, and of course also the automatic high beams. And we have a POV test drive where we also drive in the city and kind of, get a feel a bit for how the stop and go traffic works, how the transmission works, and all that. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. The review will be somewhere on your screen right now, so you can find that if you are interested in this Kia Carnival. I'd suggest checking that out for the most in-depth look at this Carnival. And other than that, hope you liked it. We upload reviews every single week. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you like the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.